Hey everyone, so I wanted to give you a little tour of all my pending projects, stuff I got going on, just so you can see. Here is a chair that belongs to the table, which is way over there under the sheet. I got the cushion or the seat reupholstered and it's ready to go, but I got 3 more to do, and then that table will be up on the site. And I've got this cabinet. It was all black, and I'll just come to the other edge of it here. Big mess in here. It's getting hard to get around. So this is the camera. It was like this on both sides with knobs on all 3, and there was 2 drawers on the back. The top was totally covered in nail polish, but I sanded it down and stained it in the dark walnut. And then on the other side, whoa! On the other side, I added some new handles, kind of a bronzy, and then I'm going to put a glass shelf on the bottom so that it can be either a coffee table or a TV stand. And I think I haven't decided yet if I'm going to sell this one, because I do need a TV stand because I've sold the last 3 that I've done. What else do we have here? Oh, I've got the table my daughter did here. She did a nice kind of marble pattern on there. She's got to finish it. Mommy's not going to finish it for her. And then under this sheet, we've got the beautiful vanity that is for sale. And this is an example of some of the decor that I'll be stocking. Just some pieces to go on. This table and the chairs are up here. They are for a client. They'll be ready to go tomorrow. They're pretty much ready now. I just have to go over them and do a little distressing and touch-ups, but that one is nice. It does fold down, which is nice. Folds down on both sides. It's a cute little table. And we've got a coffee table that I'm using as a workbench. It'll be fun to sand off. Over here, I've got this game table that I'm struggling with what I'm going to do with it. So in the comments, if you have any thoughts or ideas. I know my music is a bit loud, but it's got a little chest table and it's got drawers. Whoop! Pull the drawer right out. It's got drawers on both sides. Do that later. This table is my husband's project that he needs to get busy on. I just picked these up yesterday. Long dresser and nightstand, which is already spoken for. So that'll be my next project. And it's also got a hutch that's back there. Still got this china cabinet that goes with this table. There's the glass for my shelf. So this table goes with this china cabinet. I just haven't decided if I'm going to keep them together or split them. And that goes with the chairs that I showed you at first. And then hiding down here, I have 2 nightstands too as well. So I've got lots to do, lots to keep me busy. So again, comment below what we do with this table. Give me some ideas. If I should keep it a chest table or if I should just say to heck with it and just go crazy. Alright, well, I better get to work. Thanks for watching. and following me. And also, I have a Facebook page, so you can look that up, Ugly Duckling Design. And then you can see kind of as I go with these, because sometimes I don't get videos of everything that I'm doing, but I always take a lot of pictures and post them on my Facebook page. So if you're interested, just go ahead and like my Facebook page, and as products become available for sale, I'll add them on there as well. So everybody have a good day.